Hey buddies, ready to embark on another exciting journey? Today we'll explore International Friendship Day. Friendship Day is celebrated every year on the 30th of July. That's a special day to say thanks for being my friend. But hey, did you know it wasn't always on this date? It started in Paraguay in 1958, but the UN declared July 30th as the official date in 2011. Here's a funny thing, in India, Bangladesh, and Malaysia, Friendship Day is celebrated on the first Sunday of August instead. Friendship Day isn't just about celebrating our besties. The United Nations also wants us to use this date. In honor of Friendship Day, many people tie friendship bands around each other's wrists. It's like saying, "You're important to me." Can you guess who the ambassador of Friendship Day is? It's none other than Winnie the Pooh. That's one friendly bear. Some countries even have special friendship songs. In Argentina, they sing Dia del Amigo on Friendship Day. And the fun doesn't stop there. Many schools and communities organize events like friendship balls, parties, and concerts to celebrate. And last but not least, the most important part of Friendship Day, telling your friends how much they mean to you. So don't forget to do just that. Well, that's the end of our journey today, friends. We hope you enjoyed learning about International Friendship Day. Until next time, keep spreading the love and friendship.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and goodbye.